Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be tying this unconventional stylish gele, and yeah, I have divided my gele into two equal parts. This gele measurement is 50-50. Then I start to make my base pleats. Now the importance of making your base pleats on your leg is that you get it better as a beginner. I have made my 4 base pleats, and this is me trying to lay the base pleat on my head. I'm tying this gele from the back to the front. It's a V-shaped gele, so we are coming from the back to the front, and here I am trying to extend my base pleat to the front. So remember, every pleat has to be accounted for. That is why as a beginner, the less base pleats the better for you. So you want to be careful, because sometimes your pleats can hide, like this one now. Make sure that you bring out every pleat. You don't make immature pleats, so that your gele can come out really beautiful. So at the other side, you also want to do what you've done with the first side. So yeah, I just use this my other flap to hold on to the previous flap. You can see that I'm holding it on that other 50 flap so that it can stay tight on my head. So at this point, I'm trying to count out all my pleats. You can see I'm trying to push out all my pleats so that my gele can look good at the end. At the same time, I'm using my left hand to hold on to the previous flap so that my gele does not become loose on my head. So at this point, I neatly bunch the gele. You can see that I'm picking it neatly for the both flaps. Then I make a twist. It's that easy. Just make a twist, and I just straighten out my gele here, and I start to continue. You continue, you still see the lines of the base pleat you've made, so you just want to kind of continue them in a fan-like manner, so it's going to be slanted. Remember, your fan pleats are usually slanted. So yeah, I start to just take that form and I just make it in a slanted manner. So it's just like I'm tracing from the pleats that are already made at the base, and I'm following the pattern to make my fan plate. Make sure that you make your fan plate till the end of this 50 flap, and that is just it. You don't have to worry about the other side. You can see that other side is firmly secure. So yeah, I just come to the back. And I finish my fan pleats. So once I'm done with this my fan pleats at the back, please make sure you finish till the end, and I just twist it. Yeah, I pin it down first to hold it, to make sure that I do not lose my pleats, and I make a twist. You can see I'm twisting at the back, at the same time I'm dragging. Don't drag too much so you don't lose your pleats, please. So as I already made my twist here, I bring my pin to secure it. So secure it on your head. You can want to secure it more than once, but yeah, I felt it was already okay. If you feel that you still need extra securing, please pick another pin and use it to secure your gele, because you're not going to be knotting this gele. So I come to the other flap, and just exactly as I did with the first one, I start to do with this other flap. Now this gele is unconventional. It's so nice. You can use it for parties, weddings, even some brides tie this kind of style. It's so elaborate, at the same time really simple. So it's something that you would want to give a try, please. And if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome as well. I hope that you take something away from this video, and I hope that as you watch my videos, you also take your gele to practice. See, they are almost as simple as ABC once you practice. Remember, once you practice, there would always be improvement. So just give it time. So yeah, I am making my pleats, my fan pleats. Remember, your fan pleats are slanted. If this is your first gele tutorial, you're still a beginner, you could watch my previous gele tutorials on fan. So there I explained in details how to do your fan gele. So we've gotten to the end of this side too, and yeah, I've pinned down and I am making a twist. You can see as I'm making a twist, I tighten the gele on my head so that the fan is not loose. So I just pin it down and that is it. I come back to the front, make minor adjustments here and there, and voila, we have our very nice fan gele. I hope that you try this gele, and I hope that you do give this video a thumbs up and you drop your comment at the comment section. Just drop something for me to do for you, or drop a comment, anything at all. I would appreciate. This is our gele looking all beautiful. Then I come back to drag my gele to the back. Always show off your hairline. It is the beauty of every gele. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you check out my other videos. I hope that you just drop a comment and just show some love on this video. I'll see you in my other videos. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed, you need to do so to get more tutorials like this. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.